In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva coding to build smart designs faster. So start by opening up Canva, then in the left panel, go to Canva AI, and here in the text box, click on Code. Now instead of building from scratch, simply type in a prompt like create an interactive biology quiz or make an interactive certificate of appreciation. And once done, press the submit button and instantly Canva code will give you a structured design. So as you can see, this is the sample prompt that we gave to Canva Code AI. And this is how the design looks like. It's interactive. And if you toggle on show code, Canva code will show you the code that was used to build this design. You can copy this code to embed it to your website, or if you want to use it for your other sites, or if you just want to use it personally. You don't have to worry because you can always make changes to the design by refining your prompt to improve specific sections instead of starting over. And the good thing is you can always save your best prompts to speed up your future projects and keep your designs consistent. And that's the power or advantage of Canva Code. It helps you design smarter, faster, and with less effort. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again at the next one. Bye!